Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. Well, just when you thought the Mavic 3 series was set in stone with no changes for the next couple of years, DJI have surprised us all and thrown us a curveball. Of course, we are talking about the Mavic 3 Classic. This has a couple of things removed from it compared to the regular Mavic 3s, so let's dive right in and see what this drone can do. Today we'll be unboxing the Mavic 3 Classic with the DJI RC. Now this drone is available with the DJI RC, which is the remote that was made first popular by the Mini 3 Pro. You can also get it with the RC-N1, which is the original Mavic Air 2, Air 2S and Mini 2 remote controller. And for those of you who already have a couple of DJI's drones and a couple of those sorts of remote controllers, you can also get it as a drone-only purchase. No need to double up on your remotes if you've got any of those previously mentioned. So let's see what we've got. In here we have our DJI RC. We've got our Type-C to Type-C cable. Of course, here we have the drone itself with the new gimbal cover. This one clips off from the back. Nice and easy, slip it off. There we go. And now we reveal the camera. So remarkably like your original Mavic 3, the only difference is we don't have the telephoto lens on top of the cinematography lens. So, people ask, well, why would you want that telephoto lens? Well, the ability to zoom far ahead and scout ahead is pretty handy, but if you know exactly what you're doing and what you want to capture, maybe the zoom function is not for you. But you still want to use that beautiful Hasselblad lens and capture amazing photos and videos, then this is the drone for you. This is a micro four thirds sensor, which is unbelievably clear, even in low light conditions. This can shoot 5.1K video at 50 frames a second, or if you drop it down to 4K, you can get a whopping 120 frames per second. Super duper slow-mo in super duper res is kind of unheard of in a foldable drone. We've got, of course, the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, just like the Mavic 3 itself. As you can see, we've got these sensors on the top here, top corners, and these two on the back as well. This is considered to be a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, which enables that amazing APAS system while tracking as well. And then the last thing we have, of course, is just some spare propellers. In terms of the accessories that will work on the Mavic 3 Classic compared to the original Mavic 3 series, batteries are the same. So you're going to get that up to 46-minute max flight time. Propellers are all the same. You're also going to get all the same hard cases and things like that. They will all absolutely suit the Mavic 3 Classic. The only difference is, of course, ND filters. Given that the front of the camera is a different shape and size, because of the lack of the telephoto zoom lens, there will be new ND filters coming out at a later date. In terms of software, one of the things that's different from the original Mavic 3 that has come out with the Mavic 3 Classic is the new cruise control option. This allows you to lock the speed of the drone in one continuous speed, allowing you to control the aircraft and its direction and heading very, very easily. This means to those of you, instead of trying to manually control the speed where you might be slightly shaking or you're not quite getting the exact adjustments that you want, you don't need to worry about that. Set the speed, let it do its thing, you control the aircraft. A really great addition for this awesome new drone. Because we have two different versions of this drone with two different remotes, in terms of the Fly More combo, similar to the Mini 3 Pro series, you simply have to purchase the Fly More kit. Now the Fly More kit comes with the two additional batteries, the multi-battery charging hub, comes with the ND filters, and of course the convertible shoulder bag. Well, that's all we have time to today, and that's our first look at the Mavic 3 Classic. We have these in stock and ready to rock at all of our retail stores around Australia. We also have a couple of exclusive bundles on our website, like the Mavic 3 Classic Essentials Combo. This comes with an extra battery and a couple of other bits and bobs, for those of you who don't want to invest quite in that full Fly More combo. Well, that's all we have time for. We'll see you at the next unboxing video. DJI surprised us with a curveball and released the Mavic. Oh, dude. Oh, this is not good.